Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Then take a look at this 2017 Acura MDX in crystal black pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 49,000 miles on the odometer, an 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, a rear DVD entertainment system, power sunroof, third row seating, a power liftgate, and that's all powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6524A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.